American police are basically untouchable. How did it get this bad? The terror of police power is a recurring fact of American life, particularly in this country's poorest communities and in communities of color. The power of officers comes not only from the strength of arms, but also from a legal system that is swift to protect its enforcers, yet slow to hold them to account. Where did this virtual immunity from prosecution come from? Has it always been this way? And if not,
This is the video I created for you using artificial intelligence, and I would like to teach you how you can also do this by yourself. So without delaying any more moment, just get into it. Let's start it. Past videos about Lexica, what is it? So you can go and look at my old videos, and here I have searched for newscasters, and here you can see I'm figuring out lots of pictures, and I'm going to select one. So this one looks good to me. I'm going to download this one. So we need to remove the background so we can have it transparent. So just open remove.bg website, and here just upload it, and it's going to remove the background. Here you can see the background have been removed. Now I'm adding a color, and using a green color, so we could remove it. So here you can see how I'm adding this green color. Okay, so I have selected it and just need to download it. Okay, so downloading. Now I just need to log into DID, and I have told you about DID in my last websites in detail, so you can go and check out that. And here I'm also teaching you once again, so you can learn here also. So here I have, as you can see, I have created an account on DID using a Google sign up, and after signing up, now I'm going to add the character. Okay, so you can see the character have been added here. It's taking a moment and it's added. So just going to find some news, so we could give the news to our newscaster so it can speak. So here I have found some news on Google's, and now I'm going to add this news in the script box of DID, so DID could play it. Create on generate video and click on generate video once again. So it's going to generate. While it's generating, let's move to Lexica once again, so we could find the background for our newscaster for our channel of news. And here I'm checking out few, and this one looks good to me. I'm going to download it. Okay, so now we just need to open, and the video have been generated here. So now I am opening CapCut. It's a free to available video editor. It's available for video desktop PC and mobile phones also. So right now I am using it in a desktop computer, so I could edit it here. Just going to import the video. Here you can see I have imported the background first as a image JPG. Now I'm opening the video, so going to add the video, and you can see how I'm doing it. And then I need to adjust the background to the length of the video. And for the video, now I'm going to remove the background from the green color to blank. So trying to use chroma key, which usually works and it works best, but right now I think it's not working. It's removing the hairs of the image also. So I'm going to figure it out, and let's see how it's working. It's not working till now. I'm trying to figure it out. Usually I use this chroma key effect, but right now it's not working, and I just want to make it quickly done so I could create it. So let's try this AutoCut option. Okay, so just remove the background with one click. I would later try to select this AutoCut option instead of chroma key. So you can see how it's working right now. I'm just going to make it a more interactive, so going to add some kind of animations of positions, so the girl should move here to there while speaking. So I'm going to do this a bit, and then I will turn the girl. So let's see how it's working. So just splitted the layer and shaped it mirror. So now it's moving. Let's see. So it's just turned like that. So It was so easy, just going to export it and it's done. So I'm done with this video. I hope you liked it and you can create your own automated AI channel, news channel. So if you like my video, click the like button and tell me in comments that did you like it and which of the topics you want me to create more videos, so I could create videos for you on more topics. Whatever you like, just put it in the comment below and share this video with your friends if you like it.